Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include automatic headlights, wipers, you get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done just under 8,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.